Well, Chicago expanding its COVID vaccination locations as it gets ready to inoculate a wider group of people.
WGN Jenna Barnes is live on the southwest side with details. Jenna.
Yeah, we're at one of what will be 6 vaccination sites open to the public when we move into phase 1B. As for when that will happen, city officials say soon, but they don't have an exact date.
And I know how anxious, especially those over 65, are here to be vaccinated in Chicago.
But Dr. Allison Arwady says the city isn't ready yet.
And we are expecting shortly to be able to truly move ahead.
When that day comes, mass vaccination sites like this one will be ready.
What makes these sites so important isn't simply their size, but their location. And as I've said again and again, equity isn't part of our COVID-19 strategy. Equity is our COVID-19 strategy.
The city announced this pod at Richard J. Daley College is one of 6. Some are already open. The rest will be up and running next week. They're all at city colleges of Chicago, selected for their geographic reach. And it's estimated they'll make it possible for the city to vaccinate 25,000 people every week. Right now, the city's using them for healthcare workers because we're still in phase 1A.
That the main thing we need to grow our operation and be able to move ahead through these phases is additional vaccine.
Dr. Allison Arwady says Chicago received 32,000 doses from the federal government last week, 34,550 this week.
At the rate we've been on, Chicago won't be fully vaccinated for another year and a half, and that is completely and totally unacceptable.
Phase 1B opens vaccinations to people 65 and older and frontline essential workers, and that's a lot of people.
When I think about 600,000 people to vaccinate in that next phase, getting 36, 32, 35,000 doses a week isn't going to be enough for us to move ahead quickly.
Starting Monday, a limited number of people over 65 will be able to get the vaccine through their healthcare providers, only if those providers have unused doses not going to healthcare workers. There's no city registration for that, and the vast majority of people in 1B will have to wait.
I don't want people to get the impression that they can sign up for an appointment just yet. When it is available to sign up for an appointment, which I expect very soon, we will make that available.
About 74,000 people have been vaccinated so far in Chicago. That is just a fraction of the 400,000 healthcare workers who live and work in the city.